Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this 15.6 inch monitor. So come on, let's show you what you get. So guys, in the package they give you your manual, a Type-C to Type-C, and the monitor itself. Now I am a little disappointed there is no HDMI cable. I was hoping that there was, so we could actually test it out, but there is no HDMI cable, so you will need to provide your own HDMI cable. So this is the screen. So it's a nice large size screen. So it just goes over to power on and off. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds on the side. So it does have this magnetic cover that also works as a stand. So let's go ahead and show you guys that. So as you guys see, works as a stand. Alright guys, let's go ahead and power this on. So no signal because we don't have an HDMI cable. I am very disappointed that it didn't come with one. Alright guys, so we got our game set up here. We got the system all set up, and now here we go. So we are playing. A little hard with one hand here. Yeah, overall it's pretty cool, guys.